Hi, I'm Juan.
Hi, I'm Mary.
And we are the Hungry Cuban Adventures. Welcome to our channel. So back in 2016, we had gone to a conference, one of our church conferences, and they had a class on empty nesters on a mission. And we were both empty nesters, and we thought we'd like to go on a mission. We'd love to travel, so we decided to sell our house and buy this RV, and now we've been traveling for almost 2 years now.
We are able to visit our smaller churches, plantings around the country, and see where we can help out or encourage or whatever. You know, we don't know. Every stop is a new opportunity to help someone or learn from someone, and we've done that pretty much everywhere we've gone.
We still don't remember how, but the RV idea came up, and we started doing a lot of research, and 9 months later we bought this
Beautiful Tiffin bus.
About 9 months of research, we found this one in Louisiana. The couple that owned it just took great care of it.
I have worked as a nurse for the past 35 years at Boca Raton Regional Hospital. Back in 2016, I was diagnosed with breast cancer, and that was a turning point in my life, as any kind of diagnosis like that would be. And it just inspired me to think about the next chapter in my life. And so after prayer and talking, and we decided that I would retire. It just seemed like God was really veering us into another direction. So we decided that we could sell our home in Boca Raton, which we really enjoyed it there. But it was, like I said, it was obvious time for us to do something different. We sold the home, gave away a lot of things, sold a lot of things, and downsized to this beautiful coach. We didn't have to put anything in storage. Everything we have is right here.
Yeah, so I retired from the fire department after 28 years, and at the age of 50 went to culinary school. I did a small one-year program at culinary school. I mean, people call me chef. I'm really not a true chef. I went to an official culinary school at the Art Institute in Fort Lauderdale, and right after that I started a catering company, and I specialized in paella, Spanish paella. So that was going really well, and then this situation happened with Mary and her cancer, and thank God she's free and clear. She had to go through all the surgeries and chemo and radiation, and it was just a big wake-up call for us that life is short, and there's just so much to enjoy, and we can't count tomorrow. If you're following along in our channel and you're looking at how two empty nesters that are retired live in an RV that's 455 square feet opposed to the 1,800 square foot home that we had in Florida. It was 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, had a beautiful pool. We lived 2.5 miles from the ocean. We're just going to share our life with you. Two old folks living on the road. If you like to cook, you like trying to figure out what to make in your RV, I do a lot of Latin food. That's what I was brought up on. That's what I like to cook. As long as I have a knife, a cutting board, and a frying pan, I can do just about anything. And you never know. We might meet up with you at some park someplace, and I might have to cook for you. I enjoy cooking, so it's a blessing for me to do that. We'll have to eat.
Yes, we always have to eat.
And partake of some wine and enjoy a meal.
And have a few laughs.
Or a lot of laughs.
Yeah.
But no tears.
Yeah.
Well, if you need tears, that's okay.
That's okay.
That's okay.
Yeah. And the other exciting thing is we signed up for Harvest Host this year, so we'll be letting you know how that works out also, because that's a whole another adventure, staying on farms and wineries and museums, whatever, with Harvest Host.
That'll be a new adventure for us. We're looking forward to that. And also, we're just going to do videos on how we get to where we're going. Mary does a lot of research online, uses a lot of different websites and apps. We're going to hopefully be able to share those with you, how we take care of our rig, how we take care of our car, and just all how-tos on how to live this lifestyle. I hope that we're able to share our life with you. We have a motto over here, is every day Saturday. We live every day to its fullest because life is short. You don't know when it's going to be taken from you. If you're new to our channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you hit that bell, and God bless you all. Thanks.
Bye.
Bye-bye.